Welcome. This is the Easy Import-Export module for PrestaShop products and combinations. This module helps you save time, avoid manual work, and keep your product catalog up to date. It allows you to import product data from different file formats such as CSV, Excel, XML, JSON, and more. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how this module works by importing demo products from a sample CSV file. Let's jump into the back office and see the module in action. Installation is very easy and straightforward. Like any standard module, you simply click the Install button from the modules page in the back office. Once installation is complete, you can open the module configuration by clicking the Configure button. You'll also notice a new menu item added to the left sidebar, giving you quick and direct access to the module at any time. Let's take a quick look at the file so you can see its structure before importing it into the store. I've prepared a simple CSV file containing 10 sample products for this demo. This file represents a typical supplier or catalog file, with product data organized into columns such as product names, prices, stock quantities, and other common fields. Now that you've seen the file, let's go back to the module. To start the import process, click New Import and then select Import Products. This creates a new import rule where we define how the file should be processed. This is Step 1. Import Settings. Here we define what we're importing, where the file comes from, and how the module should treat products during the import. The rule name is for your own reference only. Import Entity lets you choose what to import. In this demo, we're importing products. Combinations are also supported, and we'll cover those in a separate video. Import method defines where the file comes from. You can upload a file, use a server path, download from a URL, or fetch it from FTP. The module supports many file formats such as CSV, XML, JSON, and more. For this demo, I'm using a CSV file from a URL and pasting the link to the file. By enabling the cron job, you can make this import run automatically on a schedule. You can also receive an email notification when the import finishes. You can control performance by limiting how many products are processed per request, and you can import specific ranges of products if needed. Find Existing Products by defines how the module matches rows in your file to products already in your store. The most common option is reference, but other identifiers can also be used. Supplier selection is useful when importing from multiple suppliers, ensuring products are updated only if they belong to the selected supplier. Base URL or path for product images is used when your file contains only image file names, allowing the module to build full image URLs automatically. Product Reference Modifier lets you add a prefix or suffix to references during import. Minimum Price Amount allows you to skip new products below a defined price and prevent unwanted price updates. Multiple Value Separator is used for list type values, such as multiple images or categories. Price Decimal Mark controls how price values are read from the file. Shipping Package Size and Weight Units define the units used in your import file. Create New Products allows new products to be created if they do not already exist, while Update Existing Products controls whether existing products are updated. You can also apply rules to skip or disable products based on image availability or stock quantity, and enable or disable products, depending on whether they are found in the import file. For this demo, I'll keep the default settings. Now we're on Step 2, Mapping. This step is where you connect the columns in your file to the corresponding store fields. At the top, you'll see Find Products by Set to Reference. This comes directly from the options selected in Step 1. This mapping is critical. If it's not set correctly, the module won't be able to find existing products, and updates won't work as expected. In this file, we have a reference column, so we map it to the product reference field. Now, I'll map the remaining columns, such as name, description, price, stock, categories, images, and additional product data. Once all required fields are mapped, we can proceed to the next step. This is where the actual import process starts. The module reads the file, processes the data based on the rule settings, and begins importing products. You can follow the progress as the import runs. The import is now complete. Let's go to the Products page and review the results. As you can see, the products from the file have been successfully created and updated in the catalog. Product names, prices, stock quantities, categories, images, and other data have all been imported correctly. This confirms that the import rule works as expected and can be reused for future updates. As you've seen, this module makes it simple to manage product data in PrestaShop. You can reuse import rules, automate updates with cron, and confidently keep your product catalog synchronized with supplier files. For advanced use cases such as combinations, cron automation, field transformations, and detailed configuration, please refer to the documentation and additional tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.